Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how I created these two storage containers. These are super glam and just in time for Valentine's Day. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you'll get all my videos. And also guys, would you please follow me on my new Instagram page, which is Glam Home Decor DIY. So these two storage containers, they're just in time for Valentine's Day. You can also use them for Mother's Day as well. These were really easy to create, and I made them with items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So first, I'm going to use this silver cylinder container that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and they had this in a few colors like red, blue, and gold, and this silver one. And this is really nice. So I'm going to decorate this today, and yeah, so I really like this container, and I'm just going to take it up a notch or two with some glam. So this is the code underneath. If you're interested in that, you can just freeze the video and get that info. Also, I'm going to be using this wire edge ribbon. I picked that up from the Dollar Tree, and it's silver. I'm going to use my silver silk ribbon that I picked up from Amazon, and I also picked up this silver braided trim as well from Amazon. I'm going to be using my tacky glue as well as my hot glue gun along with all my tools. Also, I will be using this silver lace, guys. It has a little bit of glitter on it, and it's really beautiful, and I'm going to be using that today. So I'm going to get started. First, I'm going to measure out the lace that I'm going to use on this container, and I'm going to measure out some of the lace for the top as well. After I measure out the lace, I'm going to use a little bit of the tacky glue. I'm going to apply it to the top and to the container, and then I'm going to adhere the lace on top. Now that that's dry, guys, I'm going to use this braided trim. I picked this up from Amazon, and I'm going to measure out just enough to apply it to the top and the bottom of the cylinder. I'm applying a little bit of hot glue at each end of the braided trim because it will unravel. So hot glue really does help keep it from unraveling. So right now I'm just going to use a little hot glue and apply it to the top and the bottom of the cylinder. Now I'm going to use these silver rhinestone buttons. I'm going to hot glue them to the top portion of the lid and along the front side of our cylinder gift box. So look how lovely that looks, guys. That turned out absolutely beautiful. For my next project, I will be using this silver gift box that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And guys, this box is already kind of damaged a little bit, but I'm going to cover that up. The inside of the box still looks nice and clean inside, so it'll still make a great gift box. So I'm going to use that. Also, I will be using this beautiful lace that has the scalloped edges. This is absolutely beautiful, and it has a silvery hue to it. It's white, but it has some silvery hue to it, so it's really, really pretty. I'll be using the clear tacky glue today. I also will be using that wire ribbon that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And look how much you get, guys. I just want to pull that paper back so you can see you get a lot of that ribbon. And I'm going to be using my silver silk ribbon today, and I also will be using this braided trim again. So I'm going to get started. First, I'm just going to cut out just enough lace to cover the top portion of the box. Next, using a little bit of the clear tacky glue, I'm just going to apply a little bit to the side edges of the box, and then I'm going to adhere the lace to it. After that, I'm going to let it dry for about 30 minutes. Next, I'm going to apply some braided trim around the edge perimeter of the box. So right now, guys, I'm going to try to create a bow. I'm not really great at that, so I'm just going to create the loops of the bow. Really easy. I'm just going to cut away just enough ribbon that I need, and I'm going to adhere the edges together, creating a sort of like a bow or a loop. So I'm not really great at that, so this is my way of sort of fast tracking my way to a great looking bow. Then I'm going to use a little hot glue and position those bows into place on top of the box. The roses that I'm going to be using next, I picked up from Michael's. I'm just going to cut away the parts that I don't need, hot glue them into place using a little bit of hot glue, guys, not a lot. And I'm going to hot glue them into place, and then I'm going to add some greenery. So now, to give it some texture, I'm going to add a little bit of this silver silk ribbon, and I'm just going to cut about 3 inches long. I'm going to cut the ends so that the ends look decorative, cutting it in a slanted sort of shape, and I'm just going to apply those near and around the bow. So guys, this is some silver trim that I picked up from the Dollar Tree as well, and using the same method that I created the loop or the bows with, I'm going to make 3 of those, and just to insert them inside the silver ones, just to fill it in a little bit and to give it a little bit more dimension. Finally, guys, it's time for me to add the braided trim to the bottom section of the box. I'm just going to do that all the way around the box. I'm going to seal the ends of my ribbon so when I store it, it doesn't unravel. And guys, that's it. This is the box gift. This is absolutely beautiful. I love this. And yeah, guys, so you let me know what you think in the comment section below. And please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. And I want to thank you so much for joining me, guys. I really appreciate you being here today. And I want to thank everyone who subscribed to my page. I do appreciate all the new subbies, guys. Thank you all so much for coming through. And guys, stay well and stay safe and stay blessed. And I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.